Welcome to our Degrees of Latitude Healthcare Professional Training Program. The LATITUDE NXT website offers you flexibility and control over how you receive, review, and manage Boston Scientific device and patient data. In this training module, you will learn how to set up the LATITUDE NXT Electronic Medical Record, or EMR, integration software. LATITUDE NXT EMR Integration provides an automated way to export patient device data and reports to your clinic EMR. Configuration of the LATITUDE NXT EMR integration software includes downloading, installing, registering, and configuring the software. The software should be installed on a server or computer in your clinic that's available 24/7 to allow for consistent data transfer. Before you get started, we recommend that you complete the EMR integration setup with your clinic's IT staff present, as there are some steps that may require his or her guidance. To configure, hover over Manage Clinic and click Manage EMR Integration. Next, click Edit View EMR Configuration. It's important to take a moment to document the EMR CIS Clinic Identifier shown on this page, as you'll need it to complete the registration process. Select the Click Here link on this page. A new window will appear where you'll proceed to download the EMR integration software. Either click on or download the instructions provided. Follow the EMR client installation instructions, which will walk you through the installation, configuration, and registration of the EMR client. We recommend you complete these steps before enabling the EMR integration. Once you've completed the EMR client installation process, on the LATITUDE NXT website, you should now have your Clinic Account Manager proceed to check the box labeled Enable EMR Integration. At this time, you should also select your desired EMR integration format. LATITUDE NXT exports data using a variety of data formats. Select the format that works best for your clinic and your specific EMR. Be sure to click Save and Close to complete the process. Once you've successfully set up your EMR integration, applicable data will flow automatically from LATITUDE NXT to the EMR as new information arrives on the View Patient list. The summary information sent to the EMR is based on the Quick Notes report. Data is sent to the EMR when a transmission is received from the patient's communicator and posted on the For Review filter on the View Patient list page. This happens when scheduled follow-ups, patient-initiated interrogations, or device-based alerts occur. The data may also include other applicable reports as well, depending upon your EMR. Congratulations! You successfully completed the Degrees of Latitude module on setting up EMR integration in LATITUDE NXT. If you have questions about EMR integration after viewing this video, please refer to the LATITUDE NXT Latitude Integration Specification document on the Boston Scientific Instructions for Use website, or call our Boston Scientific EMR support at 888-283-8713. Continue checking our YouTube channel at latitudenext.com/YouTube for additional Degrees of Latitude training modules.